Hey guys, some of you are struggling, and I've gotten some messages. Well, I've gotten 3 messages tonight. So I'm going to give you some hints for the scavenger hunt tomorrow during the craft-a-thon for Robin's birthday. Hidden letters are in some of the titles and descriptions for some of our most recent videos. Now that's mine and Crafting with a Passions. So you would have to go to both of them, both channels, and find a letter, not a word, but a letter that is out of place. And just, you ask yourself, why did they put that there? It could be a word that has had a letter added to the end of it. I'm not really sure how Robin did hers. I put mine all in between words with a space between them. So mine are going to be pretty easy to see. I have 5 in mine. Robin she has 5 in hers. So you're looking for 10 letters of the alphabet, and then you have to unscramble them and figure out what the words are, word or words are, that pertain to tomorrow's craft-a-thon for her birthday. And I thought it was pretty simple, but anyway, when we say the scavenger hunt begins, not before. If you put it in before, it doesn't count. When one of us says the scavenger hunt begins, then you go and type in what the word is you figured out. Word or words. It might be more than one word. So, that's all the hints you are getting. Go find them. See you tomorrow. We're starting at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. I don't know what time we're going to stop. We've got some guests coming on. And if anybody else wants to come on and craft or, say happy birthday to Robin or whatever, just let us know. And we'll send you the link. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. See you tomorrow at 11. Bye. Oh, by the way, we're giving away 54 giveaways of presents for her birthday. See you later. Bye.